Hey guys, I wanted to come on here to review this ottoman that was sent to me to review. So I really like this ottoman. It's really stylish looking. It goes really well in my space and it looks and feels super high quality. It has this tufted design on top, which I really like. It feels really sturdy. I don't feel like anything's going to get undone or anything like that. And there's also 2 storage compartments, which is great for storing blankets and pillows and things like that. As things get a little cluttered, it's nice to have a place to keep things. And so you can see it pops open like that, and you're actually able to use that as like a desk because it stays in place, so you could like work on things or like eat something with that popped up. And this is the other side. The other side just pops open straight up, but both have tons of storage, so that's really nice. And then when you're done with them and you want to close them, you're able to just shut them and then it goes back to the ottoman. So we actually started storing some of our games and board games, stuff that was getting cluttery in the living room, like pillows and blankets and stuff. So it's really nice to have a place to be able to put that. And this ottoman's also flat enough to be able to put like plates and cups on, so it's nice to have an extra place to set things down. It was super easy to get the legs on. That's all you have to do to put it together. And the legs just came inside of it and then you just screw it on. It took like not even a minute. And then there's these little pieces there that you can put on the bottom so it doesn't scratch up the floor or anything. But yeah, I really love this ottoman. So if you're thinking about getting it, I definitely recommend it.